Hi guys, this is Pat here. I would like to show you guys for what we had for dinner tonight. We had some miso soup, some barbecue, some beef, pork belly, and beef slice, and some vegetable, mushroom, broccoli, and it's really nice to have something hot in the cold day like this. And for the highlight of tonight is my dipping sauce, and for the ingredients of the dipping sauce is here. You can find them in any Asian grocery shop near you, and it's very easy to make at home. We made it very often when we had barbecue because we both really like it. And this is my partner Will here, yeah, and he loved it too. Um, so if you guys have chance, please try my recipe for the dipping sauce. I hope you guys will like it. And then after dinner, I feel like to have something sour, so I had some pickled mango, and it really refreshing. And then I'm still not full yet, so I had some lychee that I bought from Woolworth. So this is the first time that I had it. I mean this brand from Woolworth. It actually really nice, and it's not too sweet for the syrup. So and then I think I would like to have it with ice cream. Yes, it's ice cream. And this one is chocolate ice cream. And you know what? It turned out they go together. It's very good. Yes, and of course we have it again anytime. And then before I go to bed, I have collagen. I used to review this one before. Yeah, I still have it, and I had it quite often. Yeah, and I made for myself one, and of course I made for you one too. And I hope you guys enjoy for my food tonight. See you again next time. Bye.